Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Benjamin. Children, today we know about 10-line essay on YouTube. Let's start. First line, YouTube is a social media application. Second line, this application was created on 14 February 2005 in the US. Third line, YouTube was launched in India on 7th May 2008 by Google. Fourth line, Joed Karim, the founder of YouTube. Fifth line, he had uploaded the first video on YouTube in April 2005. Sixth line, YouTube allows users to upload their personalized videos. 7 line, people working on YouTube are called YouTubers. 8 line, we can earn money from YouTube by becoming a YouTube creator. 9 line, YouTube is available in more than 80 different global languages. 10 line, I use this application for my studies.